In this video, we are going to explore the watch command. The watch command executes commands periodically with real-time output display. It is a powerful tool for monitoring system status and changes in files or processes. The watch command executes a program periodically, displaying its output in full screen. It's particularly useful for keeping an eye on data that changes frequently or monitoring the status of your system in real time. The basic syntax for the watch command is watch, followed by options, and then the command you want to execute. Here's an example. To watch the long listing of files and directories, updating every 2 seconds, you would type watch -n -2 ls -la. Let's look at some basic examples of the watch command in action. First, to monitor system resources, use the command watch -n -3 free -h. This will watch free memory and disk space updates every 3 seconds. Second, to monitor directory changes, use the command watch -n -2 ls -la /path /to /directory. This command allows you to watch for changes in directory contents with timestamps. Third, to monitor running processes, use the command watch -n -5 open quotations, ps -aux, pipe, grep username close quotations. This will watch for changes in a process list filtered by a specific user. Fourth, to monitor network connections, use the command watch -n -2 netstat -tuln. This command helps in watching for changes in network connections every 2 seconds. Now let's explore some common options for the watch command. First, the interval option, specified with -n or -- interval, lets you set the update interval in seconds. The default is 2 seconds. For example, watch -n -5 df -h will update disk-free information every 5 seconds. Second, the highlight changes option, used with -d or -- differences, highlights the differences between successive updates, making it easy to spot changes. For example, watch -d ls -l will highlight any file or directory changes. Third, the cumulative highlight option, specified with -d equals cumulative, highlights changes and keeps them highlighted across updates, providing a running view of all changes. For example, watch -d equals cumulative who will keep highlighting who logs in or out. Fourth, the no title option, using -t or -- no title, turns off the header that displays the command in current time, giving you a cleaner output. For example, watch -t date will display only the date output without the watch header. Now let's explore some advanced options for the watch command. First, the precise interval option, specified with -p or -- precise, attempts to run the command at precise intervals, even if the command takes some time to execute. For example, watch -n -1 -p date +% will try to update every second precisely. Second, the exit on change option, specified with -g or -- change exit, tells watch to exit as soon as the output of the command changes. For example, watch -g open quotations ls -l pipe wc -l close quotations will exit when the number of lines in the directory listing changes. Third, the beep on change option, specified with -b or -- beep, makes the terminal beep if the command has a non-zero exit code, or if its output changes. For example, watch -b -d open quotations, grep -c processor /proc /cpu info, close quotations, will beep if the number of processors changes. Fourth, the color output option, specified with -c or -- color, interprets ANSI color and style sequences in the command output, allowing you to see colored output from commands that support it. For example, watch -c open quotations, ls -- color equals always, close quotations, will display the output of the ls command with colors. Let's dive into some practical examples of how to use the watch command. First, for system load monitoring, use the command watch space -d space -n space 5 space, open quotations, cat space /proc /load average, close quotations. This will monitor the system's load average, highlighting any changes every 5 seconds. Second, to monitor disk space changes, use the command watch space -d space -c space -n space 10 space, open quotations, df space -h, pipe, grep space /dev /sd, close quotations. This shows disk partitions with usage percentages. The color option adds readability. Third, for network connection count, use the command watch space -n space 2 space, open quotations, netstat space -an, pipe, grep space established, pipe, wc space -l, close quotations. This will give you a count of established network connections. Fourth, for log file monitoring, use the command watch space -d space -n space 1 space, open quotations, tail space -n space 5 space /var /log /syslog, close quotations. This shows the last 5 lines of the syslog file with changes highlighted. Let's explore some advanced use cases for the watch command. First, combining with grep to monitor specific processes or events. For example, watch space -d space -n space 2 space, open quotations, ps space aux, pipe, grep space nginx, close quotations, will show any changes to nginx processes running on the system. Second, monitoring with arc to process and format data for better readability. For example, watch space -n space 5 space, open quotations, free space -m, pipe, arc, single quotation, nr equals 2, open curly bracket, print, open quotations, memory, close quotations, $3 $2 MB, close curly bracket, single quotation, close quotations provides a formatted view of memory usage. Third, monitoring file changes by watching for changes in file size or modification time. For example, watch space -d space, open quotations, ls space -l space /path /to /file, close quotations, will highlight any changes to the file's details. Fourth, for network monitoring to track network interface statistics, use the command watch space -n space 1 space, open quotations, ifconfig space eth0, pipe, grep space bytes, close quotations, will display the byte count for the Ethernet 0 interface, updating every second. In summary, the watch command executes programs periodically, displaying the output full screen. The default interval is 2 seconds, customizable with the -n option. It highlights changes between updates with the -d option. It is ideal for system monitoring, log watching, and tracking changes, and it combines well with other commands like grep, arc, and sed for powerful monitoring. Key points to remember. Efficiency. It automates repetitive command execution without manual intervention. Visibility, it provides clear visual feedback on system changes in real time, and flexibility, it works with virtually any command that produces terminal output. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.